Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to convert foot to meter in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show convert foot to meter. Now we can see, then show the foot and meter chart, then foot from the 12 for 14 and last from the 15. Now find from the meter. Now select from the meter, then press from the equal, then try from the convert. Now select, then select from the foot. Now press comma, then double quotation, then press from the foot, then again double quotation and comma, again double quotation, meter, again double quotation and close the first bracket. Now press for enter. That is. Now click for a autofill. Now for tick mark. That is. Then we show convert foot to meter in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.